So if you can
Yeah.
share one of the case study that you remember, and I
Hmm.
mean any case study, any whether it's a child, whether it's
Yeah.
I mean any person story, please.
Well, I have many professionals in my practice who have this, where they are very successful people, very good at their job, very good parents, raising good kids, and they're just not enjoying life, and not having time for friends, or not feeling the motivation for friends, or not feeling the motivation for hobbies, or not getting to enjoy their hobbies, or they're just they just not enjoying life, but they're actually doing a very good job. It's just, they're just not really enjoying their life. And that's really what I want to help them with, is to enjoy their life. And I have actually been able to help several of my patients
Mm-hmm.
through a combination of TMS, transcranial magnetic stimulation,
Mm-hmm.
psychoanalytic psychotherapy, usually around 6 months to a year of therapy, and medications to help them just be able to enjoy their life, because these are very good people, very high functioning people who just need to be able to like enjoy their life.
What,
Okay.
as we say most of the time, that physical health is somewhere related to mental health. If you're physically fit, that means
Yes.
you're mentally also fit. What's your
Hmm.
comment on that? And also, with that, how can someone take care of their mental health? Please go ahead.
Okay. Well, so the brain is an organ, so it's really a lot like any other organ in the body, and you have to take care of it
Hmm.
just like any other organ in the body. So just like you would take care of your heart,
Yeah.
you take care of your brain. So you have to feed your brain similarly to your heart. You have to feed your brain a healthy diet. You need to exercise. You need to sleep.
Hmm.
Um, so even certain like supplements we've seen are that are good for your heart are good for your brain. Regulating your light dark cycle, vitamin D levels. Um, I was even reading recently that taking creatine supplement is good for your brain. So there's lots of lots of things that are good for your body are good for your brain.
Hmm.
And if you can think of your brain as like an organ that's similar to other organs in your body, and you take care of it just like you take care of the rest of your body, your brain is going to function a lot better.
Whenever I used to go for a walk, or whenever I do something, like gymming or physical activity, I
Yeah,
actually feel very much clear, and my brain actually
yeah,
starts working very, in a very clean and a clear way. I don't get confused.
yes,
So I
yes,
think I can relate it too. And most of our people actually, that's why they say that go do exercise, eat healthy, and
yes.
that's how your brain will also work well, right?
Right. Like if you think about it, like if your blood sugar levels are low and you're tired, you're not thinking as clearly. So your brain cells aren't functioning as well. Now, I will say your brain cells, the neurons,
Mhm.
they don't work the same way as like muscle cells.
Okay.
So you can build a muscle cell pretty quickly. If you go to the gym and you work out, you're going to see results in a few weeks. When we start to make changes to neurons, it's going to take more like 6 weeks to see a change. The way that we make changes to our neurons is we change a medication dosage, or we do TMS, we stimulate it with a magnet. So and every time we make a change to a nerve cell, you're
Mhm.
going to see a change in about 6 weeks. So nerve cells are slower to change their connectivity, their growth, what's called neuroplasticity, compared to like a muscle cell. However, still the concept is similar, that like the brain is an organ and you can take care of it similarly as you do any other organ in your body.
I think it is one of the
Yeah.
most complicated part of the body and really
It
difficult to
is.
handle it.
It is. Yeah. I think it's the most interesting organ in the body.
Till then, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for being here. See you next time, everybody.